In this video, how to deploy Adobe Substance 3D using Microsoft Intune. First, log in into your Adobe account, then navigate to the Admin console. Select the Packages tab. You can either download the pre-generated package by Adobe or create your own package for deployment. For example, I will download the pre-generated package by Adobe. Now, extract the downloaded zip file. The next step is creating some folders for Intune package creation. For example, I will create them in the D drive. Before you can add the app to Microsoft Intune, you must prepare the app by using the Microsoft Win32 Content Prep tool. The tool converts application installation files into the .IntuneWin format. Download the Microsoft Win32 Content Prep tool from the official Microsoft GitHub repository. Extract the downloaded zip file. We just need the prep tool, so let's copy it to the Intune folder that we've created in the previous step. Make sure the file IntuneWin is located at the same level as the input and output folders. Next, copy all files and folder in the build folder in the extracted folder to the Intune input folder that we have created in the previous steps. At this moment, you can see the structure of the Intune folder. All files and folders in the input folder will be compressed into an .IntuneWin file format. After the conversion, the final Intune package will be saved into the output folder. Next, open PowerShell or Terminal as administrator. Navigate to the Intune folder using the cd command. Now, run the IntuneWin AppUtil tool. The tool will guide you to enter the required parameters step by step. Specify the path of the input folder as the source folder. Enter the full path of the setup.exe file. And the path of the output folder for the generated .IntuneWin file. Press Enter to continue. The application is now doing its magic, creating the .IntuneWin file for us. Once done, go to the output folder to verify that the .IntuneWin file is being created. Finally, log in to the Intune Admin Center and add a Windows app. From the drop-down menu, select the app type as Windows App Win32. For the app package file, select the output Intune file that you created. In the app information page, specify the information as required, such as name of the Intune app, a description for the app, and name of the publisher. Optionally, if you want to make the app available on the company portal, you can upload a logo for the app by selecting an image file. In the program page, we need to enter the install and uninstall commands for the app as follows. On the requirements page, you can specify prerequisites that the managed devices must meet before the app is installed, such as the device architecture, minimum OS version, disk space, and more. Detection rules allow you to check if the app is already installed. You can either use a custom detection script or a manually configured detection rule. In this video, we'll use manually configured detection rule type. Select MSI rule type. Then enter the product code as follows. In this page, you can define software dependencies and specify apps that must be installed before the app can be deployed. Additionally, you can configure supersedence to directly update or replace an older version of the app. On the assignments page, decide how to deploy the app. For required deployments, the app will be force installed on specified groups or devices. For available deployments, the app will appear in the company portal, allowing users to install it. Use the Uninstall deployment option to remove the app from managed devices. You can select Add all devices to deploy the app to all managed devices, but it's recommended to test the deployment on a small group of devices before deploying it organization-wide. In this page, you can also filter devices for deployment, configure end-user notifications, and app installation deadline. Review your settings and create the app deployment. If you see the message, "Your app is not ready yet," wait for the content upload to finish. After a few minutes, you'll receive confirmation that the upload is complete and the deployment is active. To verify the deployment on a device, log in and allow time for the system to sync. Or you can also manually trigger a sync from Windows settings or the company portal app. When configure the deployment, you might wondering what is the MSI product code for uninstall command and detection rule. To find it, before create the app deployment, let's install the app manually on any computer first. Then get the MSI product code using this PowerShell command. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.